For over 1,000 years, sailors whispered about a sea monster so massive it could drag ships into the deep. They described tentacles thicker than ropes, eyes glowing in the dark, and a body hidden beneath black water. They called it the Kraken. For centuries, scientists dismissed these stories as myths, tales fueled by storms, fear, and too much rum. But then, something strange began to happen. Massive tentacles started washing ashore. Giant beaks, shaped like those of parrots, were discovered inside the stomachs of sperm whales. And scars, perfect circular marks, were found on whales, as if something huge had grabbed them in the deep. The question was no longer, was the Kraken real? It became, what exactly was it? And the answer led to one of the most mysterious animals ever discovered, the giant squid. The creature behind the Kraken legend is known scientifically as Architeuthis ducks, the giant squid. It is one of the largest invertebrates ever discovered, capable of reaching lengths of up to 10-13 meters, 33-43 feet, when including its long feeding tentacles. For most of history, humans had never seen one alive. We only knew about it from dead bodies washed ashore, remains found in whale stomachs, and stories from sailors who claimed to battle monsters at sea. Because the giant squid lives in one of the most unreachable places on Earth, the deep ocean's midnight zone. This region begins around 1,000 meters, 300 feet, below the surface where sunlight never reaches. Temperatures are near freezing, and water pressure can crush unprotected humans. For nearly the entire 20th century, the giant squid remained a ghost, until 2012. That year, a team led by Dr. Tsunemi Kubodera in Japan deployed a silent, deep-sea camera system. For the first time in history, humans captured a giant squid alive in its natural habitat. The footage revealed something shocking. This was not a dull gray monster. It shimmered with metallic silver and gold, moving with eerie elegance. The giant squid is built like a deep-sea predator from science fiction. Its eyes. It has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, measuring up to 27 centimeters, 11 inches across, about the size of a soccer ball. These massive eyes allow it to detect faint glows of bioluminescent animals, and the shadowy movements of its greatest enemy, the sperm whale. Its arms and tentacles. The giant squid has 8 muscular arms, 2 extremely long feeding tentacles. Each suction cup is lined with sharp serrated chitin teeth, forming gripping rings that can latch onto prey like hooks. When a squid attacks, it shoots its tentacles forward, locks onto prey, then drags it toward a razor-sharp beak. Its beak. Hidden at the center of its arms is a powerful parrot-like beak capable of crushing fish, breaking crustaceans, and tearing flesh. This same type of beak has been found inside sperm whale stomachs, proving these creatures battle in the deep. The deep-sea war. Sperm whales, the largest toothed predators on Earth, regularly hunt giant squid. Many whales bear circular scars, left behind by squid suction cups during violent underwater battles. But here's the mystery. We have found many injured whales, yet we have almost never found a giant squid that defeated one. A silent war continues, far below human sight. As mysterious as the giant squid is, it has an even more terrifying cousin, the colossal squid, Architeuthis hamiltoni. While shorter in length, it is heavier and more powerfully built, making it the largest squid by mass ever discovered. Key differences. Its tentacles are armed with rotating hooks, not just suction teeth. It has a bulkier, more aggressive body. It likely fights whales more violently. Some scientists believe that the true Kraken legend may have come from encounters with both species, giant squid and colossal squid, meaning sailors may have witnessed multiple real sea monsters. One of the strangest biological facts about squids: their esophagus passes directly through their brain. This means any prey swallowed too large can press against or damage the brain. In other words, a giant squid can injure itself by eating the wrong meal, a terrifying predator with a built-in biological weakness. Despite modern technology, The giant squid remains one of the least understood large animals on Earth. We still don't know where they breed, how long they live, how many exist globally, or how their young survive the deep ocean. Most of their lives unfold in total darkness, beyond the reach of submarines and cameras. They may be rare or surprisingly common, silently drifting through the abyss. The Kraken legend was never just fantasy. It was humanity's first glimpse into a real deep-sea giant, a creature so elusive that even today it remains part myth, part science, and part nightmare. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. And if a real Kraken was hiding in the darkness all along, what else might still be down there?